Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Expensify how to import CSV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As of now, the Expensify mobile app doesn't support importing CSV files directly. CSV importing must be done through Expensify web app on the desktop browser. However, what you can do is just simply head over and open up your app and then be sure to be logged into your account. Then what you can do is simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom, then simply tap on create expense. Now once you're inside here, you can tap on the scan option on the top and then take a photo or upload a receipt. Expensify will extract details and create an expense. You can also use Expensify web to import CSV by simply heading over to the Expensify.com website, logging in with the same account, then navigate to the settings, then domains or settings, and then to the policies, and now choose import transactions or CSV importer tool is enabled, and upload your CSV and map the columns to fields like date, margin, amount, etc. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.